Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to online learning at NoreduCom. How are you today? I hope everyone is doing fine. Our subject today is phonics. The topic is about sound of B. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to pronounce the sound of B correctly, recognize some words that begin with the sound of B, match pictures that begin with the sound of B, and color the pictures that begin with the sound of B. Are you ready? Let's start our class. Let's say the B sound. Can you tell me what is the name of this letter? Yes, this is a small b. What is the sound of B? The sound of B is B. B. Repeats after me. B. B. Very good. Now say it with me. B, B, ball. B, B, ball. This is a ball. B, B, bag. B, B, bag. This is a bag. B, B, bus. B, B, bus. This is a bus. B, B, bear. B, B, bear. This is a bear. B, B, bed. B, B, bed. This is a bed. B, B, bee. B, B, bee. This is a bee. B, B, boat. B, B, boat. This is a boat. B, B, bird. B, B, bird. This is a bird. Now, let's match pictures that begin with the sound of B. Can you tell me what is the name of this animal? Yes, this is a bear. B, B, bear. It starts with the sound of B, letter B. Let's match it. The next picture is a bag. B, B, bag. B, B, bag. It starts with the letter B, sound of B. So let's match to a sound of B, letter B. Can you name this picture? Yes, this is a boat. B, B, boat. B, B, boat. It starts with a B sound. Let's match it. The last picture, it's an ankle. A, ankle. A, ankle. It starts with the A sound, letter A, not with the B sound. So do not match it. Let's cross it out. Well done, everybody. Let's go to the next one. Say the B sound and then color the picture that starts with the B sound. Can you name the first picture? Yes, this is a bird. B, B, bird. B, B, bird. It starts with a B sound. So let's color it. Can you name the next picture? Yes, this is an alligator. 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 It starts with the letter A, sound of A, not sound of B. So do not color it. That's all for today. Well done. Don't forget to subscribe in our YouTube channel for more videos. See you next time, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.